So, I changed my shirt para mas maayos ang itsura ko later after I do my makeup. So, what I'm gonna do first is start off by misting my face. I'm using the Lux Organics na aloe spray. So, yeah. So, papadry ko lang siya for like a minute or so. Tapos, I'm gonna go back and do my foundation. So, after letting my face dry off, pagkatapos ko mag-mist, I'm gonna be applying my foundation. So, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay na foundation. I'm in the shade 128. So, I'm just applying like 1.5 pump. Or like 1 pump sometimes. And then I'm just gonna apply lang sa face ko like this. I sometimes leave this off for a couple of seconds, siguro sometimes even a minute, para medyo mag-dry lang sa mga parts kung saan ko sila ina-apply. So, yeah. Blend it lang. Tapos, yung key to having like a really good na base is taking your time. I mean, I know that not everyone has the time to put their makeup on ng sobrang tagal, but kahit bigyan nyo lang ng 5 minutes to really blend it all in. After putting yung foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed sa concealer. And I'm using the brand new Superstay na concealer from Maybelline as well. So I'm just gonna dot lang like a few here. I don't usually put sa under eye ko because I hate yung look na sobrang puti ng under eye. So, ayan na yung base ng makeup ko. So, I mean, mukha siyang maputi as of now. But, usually nag-oxidize yung foundation ng Maybelline sa akin ng sobra. So, this is actually fine lang. Kasi it doesn't look that white naman on me. So, I'm gonna go ahead naman and do my blush. I'm using the Happy Skin blush. It's the colorplay one, and it's a liquid na parang mousse. So I'm just gonna dot lang here. And for this one, you can also use your brush again. Or you can also use a beauty blender naman, like both. Okay, so after putting the blush, I'm gonna put naman my highlighter. I'm using the Highbeam by Benefit Cosmetics. So, it's really tiny pero it goes a long way. Although hindi siya super blinding because we're going for that natural na look na medyo glass skin. So I'm just gonna dot lang like here. Ginagamit ko din dito yung brush pero I'm gonna try using sometimes finger din. But I'm gonna try using the beauty blender. So after ko mag-highlight, I'm gonna be doing naman my powder. Like, I'm gonna set my face. So I set sa whole face using the Pond's BB Magic Powder. Yeah. I'm gonna be using then a different brush for the powder. So tapos for the outer part ng face ko, I use this MAC Studio Fix na powder foundation, I think. Medyo mas dark siya, so not only does it set my face, it also acts as my parang bronzer na din. I mean, di siya kita masyado, but it's a bit darker. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. Very natural lang. Before that pala, I'm just gonna actually finish it off using a mist.